Hey, do you want to take a helicopter ride to Mars? It'll be a thing later this year. Okay, honestly, that's a bit clickbaity, but hear me out. Later this week, Perseverance starts its 6-month trip to Mars. Now, on Perseverance, there's a really small autonomous helicopter named Ingenuity. We've told you about this on the show before. Next spring, after Perseverance successfully lands on Mars, the plan is for Ingenuity to become the first spacecraft to go airborne on Mars. Now, engineers are so excited about this. They say it's like a Wright brothers moment on another planet. Now, here on Your Morning, you know how nerdy I am, so we will be following this high-risk, high-reward mission closely when it happens again. That's going to be next spring, so stay tuned for that. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this, be sure to subscribe here, or you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.